All right. Yeah, you see it. I mean, you know how we do in the summertime, baby. We bring out the minks. You already know what it is.
Stop the cap.
Mink? No? Yeah, this is more like a summertime blink. Like if you blink hard enough, it might look like a mink, right? But anyway, why am I wearing this? Because I got it. I got that new fragrance by Drizzy. And I'm going to give you my honest unboxing review. I ain't never smelled it yet. I haven't even opened the box. You going to experience it with me? I'm experiencing it the first time. We here together. So we going to experience it. And I'm going to give you my take on Drake's new fragrance, Summer Mink. Stay tuned. Thank you for clicking on this video. We know you could have been anywhere in this YouTube universe, as big as it is, but you're rocking with your boy, and I truly appreciate that. For those who don't know, I am Ricco, and on this channel, my only goal is to help men elevate to the highest quality version of themselves possible by utilizing a little something I like to call that 3C philosophy. That's confidence, character, and of course, charisma. If that sounds good to you, go ahead and do yourself a favor, man. Go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, turn on those bell notifications. Come join this 3C lifestyle, because I promise you, it's just different. As I said before, I'm going to be reviewing Drake's new fragrance, Summer Mink. Right now, let's get to it. I got the box here. Better World Fragrances. I don't know if you can see that. I like the name of the company, though, to keep it real. Better World. One could argue we definitely could benefit from a better world. How about this, man? How about y'all put in the comments what you believe would make this world better? Keep it positive, man. Hey, you, yes. You in your mother's basement. No, we're not doing no negativity over here, Pimp Juice. Tell me the positive stuff that you can contribute to make this world a better world. Put it in the comments, let me know. How dare you use your mother's internet for negativity? Shame on you. So this is the box, has an inscription on the top. This box is not latched on, so I'm holding it closed. Has an inscription on the top, Better World Fragrances. Got a few dots. I don't know if you can actually see that. I have a few dots there. The name of the fragrance, Summer Mink. Put this knife away. Okay, Better World. This is pretty dope. Has Better World Fragrances inscribed on the actual, and this might be glass. This is pretty heavy. Definitely the presentation's dope. But what that fragrance be about? You ever dated a baddie? She looked real pretty. Like presentation is flawless, right? But you find out what's on that inside.
She ain't got no alibi. She ugly. She ugly. U-G-L-Y. She ain't got no alibi. She ugly.
Let's just say she about as sweet as an unripe lemon left outside on a summer day. So this bottle is kind of secure. You can take the bottle out, of course. You can take the bottle off. Has this little, looks like a skateboard ramp, which is pretty cool. Actually, it has something to keep the bottle secure inside. This is a little felt, I guess, for grip purposes. Keeps the bottle in there, and it exposes the actual sphere, which the fragrance, if you can see, I'm gonna try to wiggle the fragrance, but it's about halfway. I don't know if you can see. The top you pull off, you don't screw. Summer Mink on the inside, pretty dope. I believe, let me see, what does it say on Fragrantica? Is it an eau de parfum? Let me see on the back. EDP concentration. I'm assuming the whole Summer Mink vibe is a juxtaposed position, hot summertime with the mink, very affluent. So let's see what it's about. Let's see what this atomizer is about. I don't know if you can see this. Nice wide atomizer. Smells extremely good so far. All right, man, this shit smells. Sorry for me cursing, but it smells amazing so far. Let's put this on the test strip now. Let's get this on the nose. Let's see. So Fragrantica says it has top notes of clary sage, citrus, petitgrain, jasmine, sambac, spices, rose, musk, and vetiver. So I can tell you now, it doesn't smell like any of those notes. On the test strip, I don't smell a lot of heavy citrus. It doesn't pop off. I definitely smell the rose and the clary sage. That pops off. I don't smell the spices yet, but that's more in the mids. Let me put this on skin, man. This might be a skin test. Let's put this on skin. So if you don't really know, the test strip, a lot of times doesn't do fragrance justice, man. You got to get this on the skin because your skin chemistry can make some notes pop out more than others, can change it completely. And what good is it smelling good on the actual test strip if it smells like on your skin? So I'm gonna apply this bad boy to skin. I'm gonna give it a little time to tell you the dry down. Be right back.
After these messages, we'll be right back.
Yeah.
All right, y'all, I'm back like I left something. And it's now officially on the dry down. I can tell you now, this is powdery. This is a little sweet, not too sweet. It's definitely unisex. It can go either way. Pause, no diddy. Definitely unisex fragrance. I could definitely see a man and a woman pulling this off. In my opinion, this would probably be better during a warmer night than during the day, but you can pull this off during the day too. It's non-offensive. I can't see anyone not liking this fragrance. Yeah, it's definitely smooth. I can get why they call it the Summer Mink. It's definitely smooth, definitely non-offensive. And this is a really good fragrance. For the price point, this is probably one of the best smelling fragrances you get for the price point. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna test it out a little bit more tomorrow to see the longevity. You can see the oil residue, so that's a good indication that this might have some staying power. I can tell you it's a good purchase. Okay, Drizzy Drake, you did your thing on this one. I'll work with this tomorrow, see how it works on my skin. I'll come back to give you a longevity update. This will probably last you all day. It definitely projects. I'm gonna see just how many times I might get some compliments with this. You might have to be in a nice setting for that. So let me know in the comments if you guys already own Summer Mink by Drake. If you've tried it, let me know how it worked. Let me know if you got the compliment factor. Let me know how long it lasts, the longevity, things like that. Don't forget to share this video with anyone who you think likes content like this. And also, man, don't forget to hit that like button. It means the world to me and it costs you nothing. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, also Snapchat. I'll put the link to those somewhere in this video. Till the next time, I love y'all.